In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create horizontal dividers in Notion. This is a simple and effective way to organize your pages, separate sections, and make your workspace look clean and visually appealing. Using an inline equation, you can fully customize your dividers, including their color, width, and thickness, giving you more control over the layout of your Notion pages. I will walk you through every step so you can create and adjust horizontal dividers easily. To start, open the Notion page where you want the divider to appear. Click anywhere on the page at the exact spot where you want to insert the divider. With your cursor in place, type a / and then type inline on your keyboard. From the menu that appears, select Inline Equation. This will insert an equation input box directly into your page. Inside the equation box, type this exact code: \color blue, \rule 5000 pixels, 3 pixels. You may want to pause here to carefully copy the code. Once you type it in, click outside the box, and Notion will automatically render it as a clean horizontal divider across your page. Let's break down the code so you understand exactly how it works. The \color blue portion controls the color of the divider. The word blue represents the color, and you can replace it with green, red, magenta, or any other supported color to change the divider immediately. The \rule part is what actually draws the line. This command creates a rectangle which functions as your divider. The first value, 5000 pixels, controls the width of the divider. A large number ensures that the line stretches across the entire page, but you can reduce this value if you want a shorter divider. The second value, 3 pixels, determines the thickness of the line. Increasing this number makes the divider thicker, while lowering it makes it thinner. After entering the code, you can click outside the equation box to see the divider fully rendered. To change the color later, simply click the inline equation again and replace the word blue with any other color name you prefer. This method gives you flexibility and lets you create dividers that match your page style and organization needs perfectly. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to create and customize horizontal dividers in Notion using an inline equation. These dividers can enhance the visual structure of your workspace and help keep your pages neat and organized. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.